Director sir, respected teachers, dear parents and all my dear friends. Today myself Dipshri Sangwan from class 11th is here to deliver a speech. I feel great pride to deliver this speech. First of all, I wish a happy Independence Day to all. This day is the most important day for all of us because on this day in 1947 we got independence from the British rule. Our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Lokmanya Tilak and many others devoted their entire life for the freedom of our country. Today we are fortunate that we are born in a sovereign and independent country which gives us fundamental rights. Our freedom is priceless and our brave soldiers safeguard our borders to protect our country from invaders and negative elements. We all know that no nation is perfect, it needs to be made perfect. So it is our duty to sincerely perform our duty and progress together for the growth and development of our country. Three different colors in our national flag have different significance. Saffron signifies courage and sacrifice, white signifies peace and truth, and green signifies faith and chivalry. On this day, the British departed from Indian soil, transferring the legislative powers to the Indian Constituent Assembly. This day is the most joyous moment in the history of India as it came following nearly 2 centuries of struggle and sacrifice against British authority. The day reminds us the valor and sacrifice of our great countrymen who were the torch bearers of freedom struggle. Let us celebrate this Independence Day to commemorate the indomitable spirit of freedom fighters and political patrons of that time. While I am remembering the heroes of freedom struggle, I cannot forget the sacrifice and dedication of the soldiers of present time. The soldiers were standing on the borders 24/7 to protect us from invaders. So one kite for them. कभी ठंड में ठिठुर कर देख लेना, कभी तपती धूप में जलकर देख लेना, कैसे होती है हिफाजत मुल्क की, कभी सरहद पर खड़े जवानों को जाकर देख लेना. Freedom of India was possible only because of the sacrifice, cooperation and involvement of all the Indians. So we must value and salute all the Indian soldiers because they are the real heroes. We must keep faith in the secularism and never be different to protect our unity and sovereignty so that no external forces can attack us again and try to break our unity. Thanks to all of you to give me all ears to for me. Thank you.